Okay, here we have an example of a loader being used by a young man with a joystick. You're on TV. And he's picking up what we have as simulated snow off of basically a sandbox. And he's going to pick it up with the bucket, wheel around and load it into the back of a truck. And both of these vehicles are Lego vehicles that have the Lego engines in them. JCA-Electronics has cut into those systems to allow our controls to be used so that we can do what you see is going on right now. And a couple other things about what you see here in the glass section at the back there. Basically a load cell to allow you to weigh things. Our idea here is basically to load up the truck, drive it around onto that weigh scale and see what the weight of it is. Unfortunately, we had someone shake the truck and a few parts fell out, so we have to fix that tonight. But basically a small scale version of what you would see out in a farmer's yard or in a construction site, where you've got a load of snow, a collection of snow being picked up and loaded into trucks and hauled away. And that could also be, it could be sand, it could be anything really that needs to be hauled away by a truck. So these controls, again, are what's being used now is just a joystick. It could be something like sitting in a cab of the truck. It could be something controlled by your smart device. We have a tablet here which you could also use to control the loader. And this is through a wireless signal that we have. It's a Bluetooth signal. And it's just exactly the same as what the joystick would be doing now. So that in a nutshell is what we do. And in the background you see our backdrop with a tractor that shows all the different components that we make. Anything from lights, wire harnesses, to controllers, sensors, and again integration into your smart devices and conducting telematics and whatnot.
And your name?
John Anderson. Thank you.